So now we are moving to the next session for class 9th, chapter 7. Chapter 7, triangles. In this chapter we have studied some terms in the previous video. Now we will study about the criteria of congruence of triangles. What is the criteria by which we can say the given triangles are congruent? So first criteria is that which we have learnt in the previous video, that two triangles, two things or two objects are said to be congruent if they are equal in all respect. Means if their corresponding sides as well as their corresponding angles are equal, then those are called congruent. So first one, if we talk about the two triangles, then two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding sides are equal. Then we can say those triangles are congruent. So first criteria for the triangles is that when side criteria of congruency. This criteria is called side criteria of congruency, since if two triangles their corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that two triangles are congruent. And second one is that it's called as axiom, which is as side angle side criteria of congruency of two triangles. This is an axiom and we can learn it that SAS side angle side criteria by which we can say that two triangles are similar. What is the side angle side? Means two sides, two corresponding sides and angle between the two sides. If they are equal, then we can say that the two triangles are equal, as if we take a figure as. Only this statement is given that A, B, C and P, Q, R. In triangle A, B, C and P, Q, R, AB equal PQ, angle B equal angle Q, and side BC equal side QR. If these three statements, these three informations are given, or we have found these three informations, then by this criteria we can say that the given two triangles are congruent. Means we can write it that this is equal to this is equal to this, and this angle is equal to this angle. We can say side angle side, means side angle side. This is the criteria for second criteria for congruency of two triangles. First one was very easy, when all three sides are given of both triangles. If corresponding sides are equal, then we can say side criteria, two triangles are, by side criteria two triangles are congruent, and by this we can also say The two triangles are congruent. And third criteria is that angle side angle criteria. This is as a theorem, but we need not to prove the theorem, we need to learn the theorem. When in two triangles a side is equal to a side of another triangle and the angles made on that side are also equal, then we can say those two triangles are similar. Such as if it is given, we can say this is ABC, triangle ABC, and triangle PQR. If it is given that this side BC equal side PQ and angle B equal side BC equal PQ and angle B equal angle Q and angle C equal angle P, angle B equal angle Q and angle C equal angle P. So we are informed that this side equal this side and this angle equal this angle and this angle equal this angle. So we can say by angle side angle criteria, these two triangles are similar, and we can write, how can we write it then? We will write as triangle ABC is similar to triangle. We will select the vertices which are corresponding to these vertices. Means for vertex A, corresponding vertex is R, because this is corresponding to R, and angle B is corresponding to angle Q, angle B is corresponding to angle Q, and angle C is corresponding to angle P. So we can write it as triangle ABC is similar to triangle RPQ. So these are three criteria for the congruency of the triangles. So now move to the exercise. We will solve some numericals of our exercise. Our first numerical of exercise 7.1 is as. In quadrilateral ABCD, AC equal AD. This side AC equal AB. Sorry, this is B and this is D. AC equal AD and AB bisects angle A. This line AB bisects angle A, so that triangle ABC congruent triangle ABD. And what can you say about BC and BD? So we can write here given in ABCD. What is given? It is given that AC equal AD and AB bisects angle A. It is given. What is to prove? To prove triangle ABC congruent triangle ABD. To inform, what is to inform about BC and BD. So we can write here proof. First of all we can write given that. What is given? AC equal AD and AB bisects angle A. So since AB bisects angle A, so we can say angle CAB equal angle DAB. Angle CAB equal angle DAB, because this line bisects this angle, so these two parts will be equal. So, and we can say also here that AB equal AB, common side for triangles ABC and triangle ABD. This is two triangles. If these two triangles, we take these two triangles, then this side is common. So what is the result? Result is that this side equal this side, this angle equal this angle, and this side equal this side. This is common side. So we can say by criteria side angle side, side angle side. So we can say by criteria, sorry for it, we can say by side angle side criteria for congruency of two triangles you can write here triangle ABC, similar triangle. First of all, we will check with what are the corresponding vertices. Angle A equal angle A means angle CAB equal angle DAB means this angle A, and this angle equal means A is corresponding to angle A, means we can write here triangle A, and AC equal AD means C is corresponding to D, so we can write here D, and B is common vertex for both, so we have proved that triangle ABC, similar triangle ADB. We can write it. But first, one information is about BC and BD. So what can you say? If these two triangles are congruent, then we know that the corresponding sides are equal. This side equal this side. This is the common side, means this side equal to itself, means remaining sides, these two sides will be corresponding to each other, then these will be also equal. So we can write here BC equal BD, and here by CT. We can write here as we have learned this in previous video. So that's all for this numerical. Your numerical is solved. So that's all for today. We will meet with another video next day. Till then, thank you. Bye.